Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today, I'm taking a few trades and sharing them with you. Enjoy the video and learn how to trade like a professional. Trading is neither easy nor hard, it only requires patience and discipline. The market is not going anywhere, so there is no need to rush. The key is to understand what the market wants to do and where it is likely to move. Coming back to the chart, this is euro to pound sterling. We placed a call option because the trend was strong to the upside and price broke the previous high with a strong candle and no wick. If you look at the RSI indicator, it is moving toward the 90 level, confirming strong bullish momentum. Now, let's wait for the result. This is the pound sterling to US dollar chart. We took a down option because the market was trying to create a new low based on strong candle momentum. The RSI indicator also gave confirmation that the market was likely to move downward. Additionally, the structure had already formed a break of structure, BOS, and price had broken the support level multiple times, showing strong bearish pressure. Based on this confluence, we entered a down trade. Now, let's wait for the result. Nice win today. During the trade, the market initially moved against our first entry. Instead of rushing or panicking, we focused on proper trade management and followed the market structure carefully. By staying patient and disciplined, we adjusted our entries based on price action and momentum. This approach helped us recover smoothly and close the trade in profit. This is a reminder that trading is not about winning every entry, but about managing risk, controlling emotions, and understanding market behavior. Now, let's wait for the final result.